Hey guys, welcome to Tech Gurus. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can super easily get a Canon camera working with your Windows or Mac desktop or laptop. So this is a super simple program that Canon has created for many of their consumer cameras. So it works with a lot of the different ones. And if you have one that's supported, it's a super easy way to get a high quality webcam without having to go out and buy another webcam. So to use this program, what you want to do is you want to just go ahead to Google and you just want to search for Canon Webcam Utility. Then just go ahead and click the first link that comes up. So just go ahead there, and then make sure what you want to do is, if you just scroll down over here, you can see that's available for Windows and Mac. And it'll tell you some of the features and stuff, and they update it to support more cameras sometimes, and it'll also show what programs it works with. But what you want to do over here is you just want to come down here and you want to select your camera. So if you have a Canon EOS camera, just like this, or if you have a PowerShot camera, select that. Then you just want to look for the camera model that you have. Depending on the camera model, there's different versions. So just download the one. So if you don't see your camera here, sadly it won't work, but most cameras are supported. And if you have a recent DSLR or a mirrorless camera, it probably will be here. So I have a Canon EOS Rebel T6, so I'm just going to go ahead and select this. Once you go ahead and select your camera, what you want to do is you just want to go over down to the bottom where it says drivers and downloads. Just choose your operating system, and then you want to go down here to firmware, or not firmware, sorry, software. And here you want to go see, so firmware is actually for the camera itself, but here if you go down, you'll see EOS Webcam Utility, and you just want to download the latest version. So just click that, and you can go ahead and close the pop-up and just go ahead and click download, and it'll automatically just show up the download thing, and it's just going to scan the file for viruses. And once it's done, then it'll automatically open up. Then you just want to click the setup file, which is an application file. Just go ahead and click that. Now at that point, what you want to do is you'll see that it show the Canon Webcam EOS Utility setup. You just want to go ahead and click next. And then I already have it installed, so at this point you can choose. So if you already have it installed, obviously it won't let you install it again, but I'm just going to go ahead and choose repair for the purpose of showing you guys how to do it. It's super straightforward. You just follow through with what it shows at that point, and once you have it installed, it'll basically get you to, so basically how it works is, if let's say you're using something like Google Meet or something and you want to select the camera, or if you're using Zoom, just in that application select your camera to the Canon EOS Utility, and then basically it'll show, if your camera is not connected, it'll show a little webcam, not a webcam, but it'll show the Canon EOS Utility name, and then it'll also show you a little USB with the X on it. So if it shows that, all you have to do is just plug in your camera, and then right away your camera will connect. And what you want to do on your camera is, for most cameras, it's just as simple as setting it on and then putting in the movie mode, and it should just automatically work. But if it does not work, you want to just check on the site, and for your recording camera there might be different ways to get it working. Like for my camera, I have to get a micro USB cable, plug that into my camera, and then after that turn it on, switch it to the movie mode, and then it just works right away. So just make sure, depending on what camera you have on the site, all the information is there. And if you guys have any questions, I'll be happy to help you guys. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and yeah, that's it.